Welcome to the Bike Hub. Kawasaki has unleashed the all-new 2025 Kawasaki KX 350, a dirt bike that promises to redefine motocross performance. With cutting-edge technology, a powerful engine, and a lightweight frame, the KX 350 is built for riders who demand speed, agility, and control. In this video, we'll dive deep into its engine performance, design, suspension, and key features to see what makes the 2025 Kawasaki KX 350 a must-have for motocross enthusiasts. Graphics and design. Kawasaki's signature lime green bodywork returns with fresh new graphics that give the KX 350 a bold and aggressive look. The sleek, minimalist design not only enhances aerodynamics but also improves durability. The plastics are designed to withstand the toughest conditions while maintaining their vibrant color. Engine and performance. At the heart of the KX 350 is a newly refined 349 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, DOC, 4-stroke engine that delivers exceptional power across the entire rev range. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the fuel injection system to provide quicker throttle response and improved power delivery, ensuring that riders get maximum acceleration out of corners and instant bursts of speed when needed. Lightweight chassis and frame. The 2025 KX 350 features an aluminum perimeter frame designed for enhanced rigidity and improved handling. Kawasaki engineers have reduced weight in key areas, making the bike more agile and easier to maneuver through rough terrain and tight corners. Suspension and handling. Kawasaki has equipped the KX 350 with premium Showa suspension components to provide unmatched stability and comfort. The front 49mm Showa coil spring fork with adjustable compression and rebound damping ensures smooth handling over rough terrain, while the Unitrack rear suspension delivers exceptional shock absorption and traction. Braking system and wheels. Stopping power is crucial in motocross, and the 2025 KX 350 doesn't disappoint. Kawasaki has upgraded the braking system with a 270mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, both featuring pedal-style rotors for improved heat dissipation. These high-performance brakes provide precise control and strong stopping power, allowing riders to brake later and carry more speed through turns. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Comfort and rider control are essential for motocross performance, and Kawasaki has made key refinements in this area. The slim and ergonomic bodywork allows riders to move freely on the bike, making weight shifts and transitions effortless. Technology and electronics. Kawasaki has taken a step forward with the 2025 KX 350's electronic upgrades. The bike features a push-button electric start, eliminating the hassle of kickstarting in race situations. The launch control mode helps optimize traction during starts, and the switchable engine maps allow riders to choose between different power settings based on track conditions. Racing heritage and competitive edge. The KX 350 continues Kawasaki's legendary dominance in the motocross world. With championship-winning DNA, the 2025 model incorporates race-proven technology and feedback from professional riders. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a serious competitor, the KX 350 is built to win. Price and availability. The 2025 Kawasaki KX 350 is expected to hit dealerships soon, with an estimated price tag of $9,999. This price point makes it one of the most competitive 350 cubic centimeters motocross bikes on the market, offering premium features at a reasonable cost. Kawasaki also offers financing options and extended warranty packages for riders looking to make the most out of their investment. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki KX 350 is an absolute beast on the track. With its powerful engine, lightweight chassis, advanced suspension, and race-ready features, this bike is designed to dominate any motocross course. Whether you are a seasoned pro or an aspiring racer, the KX 350 delivers the speed, control, and performance you need to stay ahead of the competition. So, what do you think about the 2025 KX 350? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Hub for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and AI-generated bike concepts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.